Welcome back to the front end of my Hummer H3, where today I'll be talking about the aFe Power Pro Dry S air filter, the best air filter in the Hummer H3 mother game. The filter I'll be using fits the 2006 and 2007 model H3s. The other filter style is like a box style, and that one fits the 2008 through 2010 H3s, H3Ts, and H3 Alphas. Stay tuned. The aFe Pro Dry S air filter is oil-free, so there's no risk of contaminating your mass airflow sensor. They're made of a washable and reusable 3-layer synthetic media with a frame-constructed 100% polyurethane. This thing feels like a performance filter. I've included links to year-specific filters for the Hummer H3, H3T, and H3 Alpha in all engine configurations. Let's get this thing installed and see how it sounds. The seal is extremely well-fitting compared to my old paper filter. Some folks recognize a change in engine tone when modifying parts of the intake. I have a 3.7 liter 5-cylinder engine with an aluminum intake pulling air through this Pro Dry S air filter. aFe recommends filter cleaning between 25,000 and 30,000 miles under normal operating conditions. For dirty or dusty climates or environments, they recommend cleaning it as needed. Obviously, there's going to be a higher frequency of cleaning when it's really dirty. I'll be sure to add a cleaning video when that day comes, so be sure to keep an eye out for that one. Shout out to my support on Patreon. Your contributions are greatly appreciated and helps me provide all this juicy H3 content. See you next time.